Node or Node.js is an open source and cross-platform runtime environment for executing JavaScript code outside of a browser. Quite often we use Node to build the backend services, also known as APIs or application programming interfaces. These services are the power source for client applications like a web application running in a browser or a mobile application running in a mobile device. These services are nothing but what the user sees and interacts with. They are just a surface. They need to talk to some kind of services sitting in the server or in the cloud to store data, send emails, push notifications, pick up workflows, and so on. Node is ideal for building highly scalable, data-intensive, and real-time backend services that power our client applications. Now you might ask, but Shivan, there are other tools and frameworks out there for building backend services, such as ASP.NET, Rails, Django, and so on. So what's so special about Node? Well, Node is easy to get started and can be used for prototyping and agile development, but it can also be used for building super fast and highly scalable services. It is used in production by large companies such as PayPal, Uber, Netflix, Walmart, and so on. In fact, at PayPal, they rebuilt one of their Java and Spring-based application using Node, and they found that the Node application was built twice as fast with fewer people and 33% fewer lines of code and 40% fewer files. But more importantly, they doubled the number of requests served per second while decreasing the average response time by 35%. So, Node is an excellent choice for building highly scalable services. Another reason for using Node is that in Node application we use JavaScript. So if you are a front-end developer and know JavaScript, you can reuse your JavaScript skills and transition to a full-stack developer and get a better job with a better pay. You don't have to learn a programming language also because you can use JavaScript both on the front end and back end. Your source code will be cleaner and consistent. So you will use the same naming convention, same tools, and the same best practices. And finally, another reason for using Node is that it has the largest ecosystem of open source libraries available to you. So for pretty much any features or building blocks you want to add to your application, there is some open source library out there that you can use. So you don't have to build any building blocks from scratch, and instead you can focus on the core of your application. Next, we are going to look at the architecture of Node.